虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっともう戻れなくたって忘れないで
Hello everyone, we are from Group 4 and today we want to talk about social media. Social media has become a very important part of life for many young generation in today's world. There are many young people who keep on engaging themselves with social media without even caring to think about what will be the impact. Discuss the positive and negative impacts of social media to the young generation. Introduction of social media. In modern life, social media is developing fast. It is used by many people all over the world. Social media is especially very popular among the young. However, there are many young people who cannot control themselves and are addicted to social media. Addiction to social media has many serious effects. Positive impacts of social media. Firstly, younger students can feel empowered by teaching older relatives how to use technology. More teens and tweens are connecting with older family members not just through social media, by teaching their grandparents how to set up their accounts to stay connected. It's a wonderful combination of high-tech and high-touch for both age groups. Secondly, social media can help students learn essential job skills. Definitely helps teens learn to take criticism from strangers without being drawn into a digital dogfight. This can be a real challenge for young minds looking to express themselves and valuable lesson to learn before getting a job. Learning to use social media responsibly will build an essential skill for teens that will stay with them for life. Thirdly, students can use technology to form study groups. Social media can sometimes be beneficial to kids and teens when it comes to information. If a lot of notes were given that day, a good friend can simply take a picture of the notes and send it over to the friend who was absent. When group chats occur and kids form study groups online to share information and assist one another. Finally, social media can be used to create a positive digital footprint and search results. Google results are the new digital resume. It's important for students to dominate their online presence. Building a positive digital footprint using social media is a great way for students to shine online, show their unique personality, and have ownership over their search results. Students can use their social media profiles to highlight their school projects, sports, hobbies, volunteer work, or family vacations. Next, negative impacts of social media. The first one is cyberbullying, use of social media to communicate false, embarrassing, or nostalgic information to specific user. An evil that has become such an atypical today. Victims of cyberbullying often end up with psychosocial problems such as depression, isolation, loneliness, stress, anxiety, low self-esteem, or suicidal. The second one is unhealthy sleep pattern or sleep deprivation. Social media is among the leading causes of unhealthy sleep patterns. Adolescents can stay active on social media for longer duration if not prompted to stop, especially the case when using phone in bed at night. Third, decreases productivity amongst the youth. The youth not to be self-dependent, always depends on their parents and families. The youth maybe cannot wash their clothes, clean their bedroom, or cook their own meal. And the last one is internet addiction. Uncontrolled social media usage among teens can lead to internet addiction. The more time kids spend on social media, the more they got exposed to new stories and ideas that they would want to explore. If not handled, can affect their school performance, mental health, and even personal development. In conclusion, although using social media has many benefits in our lives, addiction to social media is not good. It will have harmful influences on studying, make us live away from reality, and have bad effects on health. In order to avoid being addicted to social media, young people should spend more time playing sports, studying, and taking part in activities in school. That's all for today. Thank you Puan Natasha Maris Muhammad, our lovely lecturer. Goodbye everyone. Stay safe, stay at home.